Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can adjust the width and the length of your videos in CapCut PC using the uniform scale. Select your video, and as you can see, there's going to be a uniform scale under the position and size. You're going to disable that. Then you're going to adjust either the scale height and to the right side, which makes it like taller, I guess, or you can like really squeeze it in and move it to the left side. Double click on it or press or type 100% if you want the original size to be back. You also have width here. You can scale it to either the right side or the left side for it to be more compact like that. So here, if you want, you can also like make it like this, right? And you can enable uniform scale again, and then you'll be able to size it up normally. And yeah, that is how you can use the uniform scale feature. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!